And then we shall start with grammar on page 109. So go ahead and turn to page 109 in your grammar books. 109. Okay, talking about possessive adjectives. We already know what an adjective is. We've been working on those. They're the ones that describe the noun. These do too, but they're possessive because it's usually a person that it's talking about. So an adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective tells which one, what kind, how many, or whose. Those are the questions that we ask ourselves to when we look for an adjective. When a noun is followed by an apostrophe S, it functions as a possessive adjective and shows ownership. It answers the question whose. Look at this example here. Robin marveled at the stranger's skill. The adjective here, the possessive adjective, is strangers. And notice the apostrophe S. Different than a contraction. That's the other time we see apostrophes is in a contraction. So when it says stranger's skill, it's talking about the skill that belongs to the stranger. I think Ian's having issues with the internet too, so he's coming back in here. So that apostrophe S tells that it belongs to that person. So the noun stranger is followed by an apostrophe S because strangers functions as a possessive adjective. We call it an adjective, not a noun. So sometimes, stranger without the apostrophe S is a noun, but as soon as we change it and put apostrophe S on there, now it's an adjective. It's no longer a noun. It's telling whose skill. Without the apostrophe, the noun would be plural. There are not several strangers. There's an example right there. No apostrophe means more than one stranger. So you have to watch for that little mark, okay? Look for nouns that show ownership or possession. They will end in an S and answer the question whose. Place an apostrophe before the S to show that the noun is functioning as a possessive adjective. And then write ADJ above each adjective. So basically they're going to forget the apostrophe on purpose for you lucky people to find the mistake. And you're going to draw in that apostrophe from here on out in this book. So for this example, the stranger dodged Robin's blow. And a blow in this sentence means like a punch with a fist, right? They're having a fight. So a blow is a punch, okay? Different than when you blow out your birthday candles, right? That's a different blow. Okay. But notice the apostrophe S. We'll have to write that in. And then, of course, you're going to label it adjective, not noun. Adjective. Here it's described again, a little bit different. So I'm going to jump down here where you see where it says plural noun. Go to that part right there. The foresters mocked Robin. So foresters has an S, but it does not need an apostrophe here because this is talking about more than one. That's what plural is. And then jump down to where it says possessive adjective. The foresters' mockery angered Robin. So here we have the apostrophe S. It's the mockery that belongs to the forester. Just one forester, apostrophe S. So that makes it an adjective. Do you guys have any questions about any of that? Just that little tiny mark. Okay, go ahead, Ian. Did you have a question?
How could a mockery belong to a person?
Yeah, it's actually the mockery is what he's doing, right? Or it's actually, no, it's not. It's not a verb in that sentence. That is a tricky one. Whose mockery? So they're calling that a noun. It's a thing, mockery. It's a weird sentence. I have to agree with you there, Ian. You know what mockery means? Yeah, okay. So kind of like bullying, he's teasing. mocking them. Anyway, it's just it is a noun. Mockery, it makes it a noun. Mocked up here is a verb. It's what he did. But mockery is a thing. So anyway, that's the best way to explain that one. But it is weird. Let's turn the page. Anybody feel like reading the practice page today? Okay, Kylie, go for it.
Pretty. Oh, wrong page. Wrong page.
111.
Quickly, Robin approached his
Adversary.
adversary
There you go.
on the bridge. He judged the stranger's staff and then returned a blow to the stranger's head.
Good. Okay, so yeah, we got a fight going on here. Adversary, it just means your opponent. So Robin is fighting someone, a stranger, and so the stranger is his opponent, and that means that's his adversary. Okay. So check mark there. Adversary is a noun, by the way, because it's talking about a person. There's 4 articles, so go ahead and find those by yourself real quick. Okay. And Natalia, where are the 6 nouns?
Robin,
Good.
strangers.
Did you say strangers?
Yeah.
Not that one. That one's going to actually be an adjective because it's telling whose staff. That's that example with the apostrophe. Oh, down here? Same thing.
Yeah.
Actually, it's going to be same thing. Those are both adjectives. So not strangers.
Bridge.
Yes, bridge is one.
Staff.
Yes. That's that big stick, you know, it's like a big stick, I guess that they're fighting with. There's 2 more. I'm just kidding. There's 3 more. I know you guys see it. Did you say his? Not his. Or did you say head? I couldn't hear you, Natalia.
Yeah, head.
Head. There you go. That's one. If you need help, both Kylie and Ian are offering to help you.
Yeah, they can help.
Okay, pick which one you want to help you. You want Kylie to help or Ian to help?
I'll just go with Kylie.
Okay, Kylie, go for it. What else do we have here?
The word I could not pronounce.
Adversary. Okay, that's one. Now you have one more.
Sorry, I'm looking. What? The blow.
Yes, and that is a noun because right before it is an article, and that's a clue for you. So good. Blow. Sometimes blow can be a verb because if you're blowing out your candles, that's a verb. This is a blow. It's a punch. Punch to the face.
And blow can also be a verb like the other, like punch, because
Yes.
it's doing something too.
Yes, you're right. But because we have a blow, that changes it. Good point. Okay, so Ian, how about the pronoun? There's one pronoun in here. We're on page 111, Jason. Okay. In fact, let me stop recording since you're here. I recorded the first half, so you can